Siri, how can I start a t-shirt business? Starting something new is always scary because there's just so many questions. Can I do it too? What do I need? Am I too old? Can I make a living off that? Where do I start? I've been printing t-shirts for around 5 years and I have made so many mistakes, like a lot of mistakes. But I have learned so much from them and now I can say that I know what I'm doing. So I got you guys. And I'm gonna give you the exact plan to start your journey. And later on the video, we're gonna talk about that one thing you should avoid that could grab everything that you worked so hard for and just throw it down the drain. But first, what's the best printing method? There's heat transfer vinyl, DTF transfers, DTG, embroidery, screen printing, and a couple more, but I don't wanna overwhelm you. I have heat pressed around 1,000 t-shirts with vinyl. And with all this new technology right now, we're gonna eliminate HTV out of the list. Now DTF is probably the most affordable because all you really need is a heat press and a DTF supplier that you can pretty much find anywhere now. DTG and embroidery are the most expensive, $15K to $20K just to start. So we're gonna eliminate those off the list. And the last one, screen printing. To me, that's the money maker. But Milo, you're looking at everything through a screen printing lens. Yes, that's very true. I am a screen printer, but I'm also a businessman. So I'm thinking long run, not just at the moment, long run. Let me give you an example. In my last video, I printed around 200 t-shirts and the expense on materials was around $30. That's around 15 cents a t-shirt. Crazy, right? And here's some homework. Do the math on other printing methods so you can see the difference. A lot of people are scared of screen printing because it has a small learning curve in the beginning. But trust me, this is not rocket science. And when you find your rhythm, it's just repetition after repetition after repetition. And you don't have to start with the most expensive equipment. You can honestly start with a very basic press. Now, there's a lot of starter kits, but this one is one of the top ones because it has everything you need to start screen printing, except an exposure unit and a heat gun. But everything else is there. Screens, inks, squeegee, even a starter kit manual. I believe I was one of the first ones to touch that starter kit when it just dropped. And I've been so blessed to give 3 of those away in this channel. Hopefully we continue to do that in the future. And thank you Screen Print Direct for sponsoring this video.
Sights and the sounds I've been leading the way. Been bearing my way and I'm grateful. Take off, little celebrate, set for the sea.
But printing t-shirts is only 1/3 of the business. So don't focus all your energy just on that. You will have to at least know the basics of graphic designing, customer service, marketing, how to get sales. And I'm just touching the surface. To me, those skills are harder than printing t-shirts. Because you can be the best printer, right? But if you don't know how to promote your business, no one's gonna know about you. And your sales won't be great. You won't reach your highest potential, if that makes any sense. For example, pay attention to McDonald's. They are a marketing genius. Genius! Their burgers are not the best or the healthiest, yet they sell the most burgers. Why you think that is? Because they know how to promote their brand. I don't know why I'm talking like this. I guess I just get excited when I see things that other people can't see. I don't know. It's all about creating a t-shirt business plan. You start with the vision. You learn the business. You promote the business. You start getting sales and it keeps repeating. And every time it keeps getting better and better and better and better and better and better and better. Because the only way to know business is to be in business. I'm gonna repeat that. The only way to understand a t-shirt business is to be in the t-shirt business. If you're always sitting on the sideline, you will never see the full picture. Woo! I'm feeling like a philosopher right now. forgot to wear my gloves, so let's go get some gloves. And I ran out of gloves. One will do. But getting sales, getting new customers, it's not everything. Returning customers is. For example, you had 20 new customers last month. Good for you. I'm happy for you. Awesome. Now, how many of them came back this month? Think about it for a second. How many of them came back this month? Or how many of them came back at all? Just think about it. And this is something that I just noticed last year. I was focusing too much on creating content to get new followers, to get new customers, that I was neglecting my customers. It's not like I was ignoring them. I was just not putting them first. It's about building a relationship, making your customers feel special, honoring their loyalty and the trust that they put in your business. And of course, trying to provide the best quality possible. Hear me out. Imagine having 10 customers that come every month. That's enough to take your business to the next level. Now imagine having 20, 30, 40, 50, woo, and the list goes on and on. I'm just saying. Now, let's go watch these screens. Come on.
Tell me your stories. We hike through the day when we get to the top. See the sky never stop till the best one.
And I almost forgot something. Now we can continue.
There's a world you can find when you think you're alone, when you're lost in your mind, any shape, any kind.
Bye, Kobe. And hands down, Screen Print Direct has some of the best screen printing supplies to clean your screens. I'm gonna add the link in the bio, and if you guys use the code myloprints, you get a 15% discount. Pretty awesome, right? You heard that? A 15% discount. And while my screens are drying, let me tell you about something that you should avoid. And that's selling copyrighted images. Because the more you know on how to print t-shirts, you're gonna notice that it's super easy to print a copyrighted image, and it's even more easier to sell them, because you're gonna fall in the loop where you're gonna make easy, fast money, and anything that comes easy goes down easy. So build your foundation on something that's firm, something that's you, something that's original, because if you build your house on the sand, and when the storm comes in, all that hard work that you put in that house is gonna go down the drain. Trust me, I'm telling you from my experience. Now let's talk about the most important step, and that's not printing t-shirts, marketing your business, getting returning customers. No, the priority of the business is you. The way you think, the way you act, the way that you represent yourself. Those things reflect on your business. Myloprints is just the name of my business, but I'm the business. Because if you see me doing something wrong, what will you think of my business? It's all about the mindset. If you're starting something and your mind is on money, then I promise you that the journey is gonna be very dark. No, I'm not saying that I hate money. I like money. I actually need money. But the love for money is the root of all evil. So set your goals on higher things. Things money can't buy. So get ready to fail. Get ready to go broke. Get ready to hit rock bottom multiple times. Because having a business, starting a business, is a roller coaster of emotions. So once again, don't set your eyes, your mind on material things. Set them on higher things. And ever since I started my business, I've been through so many storms, but I'm still standing firm. And it's not because of me. I take no credit. I have set my mind on the Most High, and His love, His guidance, His teachings, His instruction have made me a better person. better father, and a better husband. Once again, give a shout out to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Thank you so much for the love and support, and God bless you all.